Sir, I have written English lesson number 7, Wednesday date. And
English lesson
anything
7.
else and date.
What else will you write again?
Huh?
Okay. Mute your mic, everyone. Fine. Now, this is lesson number 7, which we are going to start. Now, before starting, everyone put the pencil down, hold your hands, fold your hands compulsorily. You don't have to touch the mobile phone. Keep it on the table or keep it on your lap, wherever you can see, and then fold your hands. And just answer my question only when I call your name. I repeat, answer my question only when I call your name. Otherwise, not. Okay, thank you for that. Now, first question is to Zaki. I will call him
Yes,
again.
sir.
First question is to Zaki.
Yes, sir.
Zaki, read this.
Yes, sir. Of nature.
We cannot hear your voice. I mean, nature. Only we can.
Amrit of nature. Amrita Devi Vishnoya. Soldier of nature.
Amrita Devi Bishnoi, a soldier of nature. Okay.
Hello.
So, yes, whose mic is on? Okay. Amrita Devi Bishnoi, a soldier of nature. Now, let me tell you, Amrita Devi Bishnoi. This is the name. This is a name. Now, a soldier of nature. What is that? Yeah, we have heard about the soldiers standing on the borders, protecting our nation. But what is a soldier of a nature? Who will tell me?
Sir, can I answer Ahmad Fazil?
Yes, Fazil, you can.
The kingdom of soldiers that fly.
Dear, soldier of nature means what? Soldier of nature means what? Who will tell me? No one. Shame. Girls class, they were answering me. Boys are really, really very bad comparative if I compare to the girls. Girls are better.
Oh God.
What? What? What did you say?
God, God.
No one is answering. God, a soldier of
Yes.
nature, is God. Okay, you tried your level best. I really appreciate, but it is not God here. Yeah, Amrita Devi Bishnoi was a god, kind of god. She was not a god. She was a human being,
I say, I
but
say, I
she.
say.
Yes, you can.
Okay, sir. A soldier of nature means the soldiers. The soldier is standing near the border. It the soldier means it protects our country. But that the Amrita Devi Bishnoi,
Hmm.
one lady. she was known as a name that she is protecting the nation. Means a soldier defined his death that anything or any everyone he needs to protect anything. So Amrita Devi protects nature, so his name a soldier of nature.
Okay. So she protected the nature in short. That is why she is known as soldier of nature. Yeah, that is good. Okay. So how can you protect the nature?
Sir,
Students,
sir, yes,
how? Yes, yes, Zohir Abbas.
by saving the trees, do not cut the trees.
Okay. Anything else? In
Drink
which
water.
way? In which? Yes, yes, very good. Anything else? How can we protect the nature? No, okay.
Do not waste water.
Do not waste water. That is saving the water. Very good. So
Don't
water.
harm the don't harm the air.
Don't harm the. Hello, who is
Air
this?
means do
Hello,
not
your
make
voice
a
is breaking.
pollution.
Air pollution. Okay, so we should not pollute the air in any way. Yeah, but that is very difficult nowadays where the factories and farms have increased. Very good. Okay. So these are the things you can take care of if you want to protect the nature. There is air, water, yes, trees, forests. Just imagine. Okay, I want to ask you one question. Students, carefully listen to me. Carefully listen. How many of you are watching news channels?
Sir, is wearable sometimes.
Okay, fine. So how many of you are using WhatsApp?
I
Rajan is good.
I
Okay. So, okay, very good. So you all are using WhatsApp. That is why you are able to join Google Meet, obviously. Fine. Thank you. Mute your mic. Now, have you ever heard about the news that leopards have come in the city on the road? Lion is seen on the crossing the road in the
Yes,
village areas. Have you heard that?
yes, I
yes.
got
Yes. Okay. Just in the lockdown, we heard that leopard was found in Maharashtra, Nasik. Yes, my sister stays there. So she said that we locked our door for 2 or 3 days because leopards were on the road. And you know, leopard, how swift they are in running. Okay, so why do they come on the road? Why do they come on the road? When you cut the forest down, when you cut the trees down, their house is vanished, destroyed. They live in the forest. Now you cut the forest to build the buildings, your factory, and these things. So if you will take their area, they will come in our area. Isn't it so? Yes or no?
we got it in his house.
Yes.
Okay. So when you cut their area, they are naturally going to come on the roads because they don't have map like we human beings have. So they will obviously walk in the area they used to live. So here, Amrita Devi Vishnoi is the protector. She protects the nature. She protects the nature in the way she protects the trees. Students, do you know that sometimes if the patient is having severe body something illness, They are put on ventilator. Have you heard that ventilator word? They are given the oxygen cylinder.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. So how costly is the cylinder? One cylinder of gas, oxygen. How costly it is. People are kept on ventilator. So for each day, 40 to 50,000 rupees we have to pay. For each day I'm talking, huh? So just imagine you are getting oxygen free of cost from the trees. For each second you have to breathe in, right? You are
Yes,
breathing right now also. You are taking in the oxygen. That is why you are able to
Yes.
stay alive. So trees are giving you in free of cost. Green leaves or any leaves gives out the oxygen. So which we take in. We are getting in free of cost and still we are cutting the trees. Why? Furniture, good furniture. We need to make good pages of the books.
They
Cardboard. We need to make different wooden things. Yeah, we need wooden things, but we can limit our use. No, we can limit our use. Someone's mic is on. If you want to speak, please speak or mute your mic.
Aryan,
Aryan, if you want to speak, please speak. Okay. So we can limit our use. That is what it is said here. Purposely, you keep on cutting the trees to just build your property? No. Then where will
no.
animals go? Obviously, they will attack on us. Okay, Rajani is there. Ali Asgar.
Hmm?
Okay, he is not there.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem. Mute your mic.
Yes,
Okay, you
sir.
are there. So, Ali Asgar, just imagine situation is three people comes at your home and breaks down your house and they build their own house there. What will you do?
What, sir?
Three or four people are coming with the weapon
Yes. Yes.
in their hand. They are there to destroy your house and they want to make their own house there. What will you do?
Sir, I can't understand.
Now I'm speaking in very easy language. I'm telling you, 3 to 4 people are coming.
Yes.
They have hammer and every weapon, hathiyar in their hand.
Yes, yes.
They want to, break your house and they want to build their own house there. Then what will you do?
I will destroy their house.
Exactly. So this is what animals are doing. Lion is on the road, or 3 to 4 lions you can see on the road. Leopard. Why they are coming at our house? Because we are destroying their houses, isn't it so? If we are going to destroy the forest, where will they go? They will obviously attack on us, no? Because they were living there, they were not disturbing you. Why are you going and disturbing them? Right, Ali Asgar?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
He is
sir.
busy having breakfast in my lesson. In my lesson only you have to breakfast. Okay, anyways, jokes apart. So students, this is what I'm trying to explain you how important is the nature. Trees, see, unconditionally trees are giving us oxygen, because of which we can live, otherwise we cannot live even 1 second. Giving us fruits, vegetables, everything trees, and in exchange, what tree is asking us? Just to give water. Just to give water. Right? All the students, am I telling you right or wrong? What do you feel? Okay, I need to go in the group and I need to remove the students who are not paying attention. Okay, Alivar is Keshwani. Are you there? Alivar is Keshwani. One last time I'm calling you, otherwise I'll request ma'am to remove. Alivar is Keshwani. Are you there? Okay. Then this Raza Abbas Keshwani. Raza Abbas Keshwani.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So Raza Abbas, what was I explaining you now? Repeat one or two lines. What was I explaining about what thing? Because I'm noting down each and everything in my book, who is answering and who is not answering. Raza Abbas. Okay, Saki.
Yes, sir.
What was I explaining?
The experiment was we need to protect our trees, plants. Trees gives us oxygen, and they are only uh, telling that give me water, but everyone is not giving. So we have to give water to plants. He give lot of oxygen,
Okay.
and he only tell that only give too much little, only give
In
water.
exchange. Yes. In exchange, only
Yes.
give water. Correct. Zohair Abbas.
Yes, sir.
What will happen if we will destroy the trees in the forest?
The animals come in the city, town, and roam in the
Correct.
road. We have to store in the house.
Correct. Correct. Okay. Very good. Great. Nice. Fine. So now here the story is right. Okay. Zohair Abbas, can you read these two lines?
Sir, can I read?
Who is this?
Aryan.
Yes, you can read. Yes, Aryan.
Sheikh Aryan.
Yes, Aryan. I said yes, yes.
Read is read this. Yeah,
Passage.
pressure to learn about the surface
Sacrifice.
sacrificed Amrit Dev
Amrita Devi.
Amrita Devi Bison and hundred of another in the Bison community
Bishnoi community.
Bisloid community in Rajasthan made of protect tree.
Okay. So Amrita Devi Bishnoi, like I said, it is the name. Okay. She is a woman. She wanted to protect the nature, protect the trees. So Amrita Devi Bishnoi is from the Rajasthan. Just remember these things because I'm going to ask you the counter question. Amrita Devi Bishnoi was from the Rajasthan. Okay. Now, who will read next?
Sir, yes, sir.
So I read with you.
Can I Muhammad Fazil?
Okay. Three students are ready. One by one, I'll give chance to all. Yes, Zohair Abbas.
Trees play a key role in supporting life on the earth. They are as important to us as food and water. They give oxygen for us to breathe and absorb the carbon dioxide that we inhale. They are also the direct source of food for many animals.
Continue.
Since time imme- immemo-
Since time
since time immemorial, human beings
immemorial,
have
immemorial.
immemorials human beings have been cutting down trees on a daily basis so as to drive a wide range of products which are essential for survival, such as wood, paper, rubber, and medicines. As the human population and the need of this product have increased over time, more and more trees have been cut down through throughout, through history.
Throughout.
Throughout history, we have seen many heroes who protect against this grave harm to nature. Amrita Devi Bishnoi was one such hero.
Okay. This Fazil.
Yes, sir. Amrita Devi belonged to the Bishinor community, a group of people who store.
Bishnoi, Bishnoi community. Bishnoi community.
Sorry, your voice is too much breaking.
Bishnoi community.
Bisho- Bishnoi community, a group
Bishnoi.
of Bishnoi community, a group of people who storyline believe
Strongly.
strongly
Strongly.
strongly believe in rotating the EU. Sir, what is this EU?
Environment.
Environment. Many of them even discard their
No, 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 no. Dedicated.
dedicated to the
Safeguard.
tree. Spikily, the kachari tree possible can.
Okay. Okay. Burani mediation. Continue.
Yes, he was especially
I cannot hear you. Speak clearly and loudly.
village of
What are you reading in English language? This paragraph, beta. Khejri trees.
yes, sir. The bride is not answering. Can I?
Yes.
Khejri trees were especially abundant in the village of Khejri, which derived with
Okay.
its name from the tree.
Abundant. Abundant.
Abundant in the
And
village of Khejri,
Khejrali.
Khejri, which derived its name from the tree. inhabited by the Bishnoi. Kedarnath was famous for its greenery in spite of being in the midst of a desert region. In 1730, the Maharaja of Jodhpur extended to build a
What
palace
extended?
intended to build a place and needed a lot of wood for the purpose. He sent his men to the deep forest near Kedarnath to fell trees and
Okay. So here we end our today's reading session. Now, few instructions to you. Okay. How many of you have completed the fair book?
Sheikh Aryan.
Sir, बरोबर.
Sir, Muhammad Fazil.
Only four? What about Zaki?
Usman Raza Abbas.
Okay, very good.
Rehan Panjwani.
Very good. Okay, so those who said their name, have they sent me the PDF of their fair book in my WhatsApp number?
Okay, sir.
What? Okay.
Right.
I'm asking, have you sent or not?
Okay.
Yes, Sir Ahmed Fazil send.
Sir,
Okay,
Sheikh
you have
Aryan
sent.
not sent.
When will you send?
सर मैं आपको भेज डालूंगा. Sir, I will
Yes.
send it, but that much you have written in one day.
Okay. I did not understand what exactly you're trying to say.
Means how much you give homework to write.
Still, I'm not understanding what you are asking me exactly.
Sir, I have completed. Sir, you have what given? Last you have given lesson number 6. That's it. I have completed.
Yeah, but have you sent me the PDF, beta?
No, sir. I'm sending.
Okay, please send it today. Yeah, because I have given that instruction in the group, no, beta?
Yes, sir. But I can send photos, no PDF.
Yes, anything you like.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Ali Asgar, you have raised your hand, beta. Ali Asgar, you have raised your hand, beta. Whose mic is on?
Zaki.
Yes, Ali Asgar, you have raised your hand, Ali Asgar. What happened?
Sir, by mistake.
Okay, beta. Now, students, uh, like I said that, like I said that, not everything I will give you in the PDF file. So what you have to do, you have to be daily present because everything we are going to start new portion we are going to start. So please make sure now if you don't remain, regular, I'm not going to send you PDF. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, yes.
And heading you have given now. So we are going to start writing the hard words tomorrow, meanings and everything we will start from tomorrow. Explanation also.
Yes, sir.
Now, why am I saying that I will not give you PDF? Because once I will send the PDF, students are only copying down. This is what I don't want. You need to understand the story, you need to answer the question on your own. That is what it is. So please also tell your friends to be present regularly. Am I clear, all the students?
Okay, sir. Yes, yes. Yes, sir.